Oh, that's pretty restricted. Yeah, it's got. See how restricted it is. It's not even round. It's got a flat spot about halfway up, so I almost got stuck. I'm not going to be able to get that inspected, but it could use some cleaning. Get that re-rounded. But the only thing goes down this particular pipe is water, so it's not as critical. If you don't have any issues, I wouldn't worry about it. Because generally the cast iron pipe looks in fair condition, which is good for a home built in the 70s. There's this sink inlet. There it changes to cast iron. See, now this is also, I was going to say it's wide open, but it's round right here, but you got a frog in there. He's trying, he can't even get through. Yeah, we can't get through there. But again, it's just water that goes through here, so it should flow fine. But if you have issues with this one or the other one, I just get them all cleaned. Get them snaked out, cleaned. Should be good. It's not surprising that after 50 years of usage, cast iron pipe can have a little bit of corrosion. So yeah, see, that's roots. Left and right. You got more there along the left. The fact that you have roots, it's just something to be aware of. It's not an emergency, but otherwise the pipe looks in good condition. I can't say good, it's fair. And I'm not sure if that's roots there on the right or not.